Meteorologist David Carnes standing there by the radar, and if you look to the left of your screen there, ooh, there's something looming, something lurking.
Little something over here.
Yep,
Yeah,
that's it, right there.
We're watching that.
It could be worse. That is always the case, right? We are going to get heavy rain. Might even have some rumbles of thunder mixed in with it, but it's mainly going to be rain and possibly some localized flooding. We do have Sequatchie River is under a flood warning for Thursday night into Friday morning as it tries to carry some of that water away, but that's just in anticipation of the rain that's going to be moving in. Right now they are having big time problems with severe storms in eastern Texas moving into Louisiana and even up into southern Arkansas with tornado warnings and severe thunderstorm warnings. But again, it is just going to be rain for us starting tomorrow morning. I think about 7 o'clock we'll start to see the light rain moving in. That rain's going to be picking up around lunchtime, maybe a little bit of a break for a portion of the afternoon, and then we'll see heavier rain moving in late afternoon into the evening hours. Notice our temperatures tomorrow will stay similar to today, maybe a couple of degrees cooler in the low 50s. And just a reminder to freak you out a little bit, only 12 days left till Christmas. Get shopping. Heavy rain all day on Wednesday, much colder by Friday. We're going to need those jackets and coats big time for the weekend. It is going to be cold and dry for the weekend. 55 right now in Chattanooga, 54 in Cleveland. We're at 50 in Murphy, 55 in Athens. And our Skywatchers checking in, not a lot of variation. We do have a 51 on Lookout, Soddy Daisy 59, 57 Cleveland, 50 up on Signal. And we did hit 60 in Riceville. Thank you, Cindy, for that. 56 Turtletown, said Dave. We hit 10 Mile and 56. And 55 in Jasper. So a nice, comfortable December day, and we're enjoying it because of the rain, and then the colder air is going to be moving in. And here, once again, is the rain. So with our Futurecast, let's take you on through, and we'll take you through the overnight. I don't think we'll have rain overnight, just cloudy skies continuing. About 6 o'clock, we'll start to see a little bit of just light rain beginning to move over the Cumberland Plateau. By about 7 o'clock, we'll start to see it moving through Chattanooga. Now we zip on up to lunchtime. Notice we're going to have some of that heavier rain moving through. This is where, again, maybe a rumble of thunder. I wouldn't pay a bit of attention to that. We're not looking at any severe weather with this. Rain, localized flooding will be the big thing. Again, notice it was just the Sequatchie River that was under the flood warning. That is probably where we're going to see the heaviest amounts of rain, just west of Chattanooga. But everybody is going to get a nice drink of rain. We'll show you how much here in just a second. Let's move on through the afternoon. Again, we may see a lot of the heavier stuff lifting northward, maybe even dry for a couple of hours. Parts of North Georgia, maybe even into Chattanooga around 3 o'clock. And then, oh, here we go, more rain moving in for drive time and torrential rain moving in for the evening hours. And once again, in the Sequatchie Valley, that's where we see that heaviest rain moving through. But heavy rain for everybody late on Wednesday night, about 9 o'clock to midnight. And then we'll start seeing that pushing off to the east. We may see a few showers lingering into early Thursday morning. And then we're going to clear out and dry out Thursday afternoon with colder air moving in on Friday. Rainfall amounts, again, the further west you go, that's where we could see 2.5 to more than 3 inches of rain. Chattanooga westward, east of the city, you can call it about 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. So your storm alert 7-day forecast, going to have some jacket weather tonight, tomorrow morning, Thursday as well, temps in the 50s. And then here comes that colder air. Storm alert weather day for tomorrow, by the way, in anticipation of the rain. Look at the lows in the low 30s down into the upper 20s as we head into the beginning of next week. Highs stay in the 40s, and that will continue through the middle of next week. Maybe a few showers on Tuesday also.